Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about how to start page numbering from specific page. So in my case I want to start page numbering from this page, so I just have to select the page, then go to layout, and here you will find break option. Click on that and then hit on next page button like this. Then go to insert. Here you need to click on page number, and now whatever format of page number you want to select, you can go for that. So I want to add page number on bottom of page and I will select this. Okay, and once you select the page number format, here we need to make some changes, like you want to click on the link to previous button. Click here. Once you click here, go to page number. Here select on format page numbers and now hit on OK. But before that, make sure it's selected on start at 1 and then hit on OK. And once you're done with this, you will see the page number is starting from the right page which we wanted to start from. And as you scroll up, you will see our two pages is also named as page number 1 and page number 2. We can just easily remove it manually. Just select it and hit backspace on your keyboard, and there you go, it's gone now. And page number 1, 2, 3, 4 is now correctly ordered. So this is how you can start page numbering from specific page in Microsoft Word. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.